Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I speak English, but I'm not fluent, ma'am. I understand.
Okay, as long as you can communicate with your employer, there is no problem. If you really don't know how
Yes,
to speak and you cannot understand, then better stay in the Philippines, yeah?
yes.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
So you are a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am. 100%, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your
Yes,
profile
ma'am.
will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. I am Rhoda Bayhon, 26 years old. I came from Iloilo, Philippines. My birthday is June 9, 1999. Married. I have two daughters, 8 years old in 1 and 5 months. I have experience last 2021, 2022. I have work experience, housework experience, 5 members of the family, 4 adults, and 1 elderly. My responsibility duties, such as all around housework, such as cleaning, cooking, ironing, do laundry, and assisting elderly.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first, Rhoda. You are married, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday? Again, June
June
9,
9,
right?
1999.
June
June
9.
9, 9. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'4", and my weight is 61.
What is your religion?
I am a Seventh-day Adventist, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
My educational background, last 2021, I vocational as agriculture, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that you got two kids, right? And you are married.
Yes, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad. Who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband, ma'am.
Okay, so how old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 27 years old. He is a fisherman, but she and the fisher at evening, mom. And if the morning, he take care of my children, mom.
Okay, so did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am, 100%.
Okay, so do you know what are you up to? You were going to work as a domestic helper and it is a very, very tough job. You cannot simply say you
Yes,
wanted
ma'am.
to go back home because you miss your family and you cannot handle your job anymore. No such a thing because you were going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so according to you, just a while ago, you have a working experience in the Philippines way back 2021 to 2022. You worked for 1 year, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Estancia Iloilo, ma'am.
Okay, so you, according to you, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and you also take care an elderly.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the elderly that you take care?
61, mom.
Is it
But
female or
still,
male?
Female, ma'am.
Okay, after 2022, do you have any working experience or you've been a full-time mother until recently?
Yes, ma'am.
You are a
I'm a
full-time
full-time
mother.
mom.
Okay. So as I have mentioned many times, this is a very tough job. Houses here, I would like to let you know, houses here is quite big. And employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. So you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
I do my best, ma'am. And
Okay.
I dedicated to this job, ma'am.
Okay. So I am just telling you the reality of working here in Malaysia, yeah? Okay? So are
Yes.
you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
No, mom, because and based on my experience, I don't have take care of children because I'm afraid, mom.
But you are a mother. Why you don't want to take care of
Yes,
children?
ma'am. My husband, ma'am.
So you can take care elderly
Be-
only, is it?
yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, mom, because I'm afraid pets, ma'am.
Okay, so you will go, as I have mentioned, you have a 2 years contract and usage of mobile handphone. You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
I agree, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you
I
can come. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
yes, ma'am.
Normally, being a first timer, it will be your problem. Anywhere, everywhere, homesickness will strike you anytime, frequently. What will you do, or how will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
After I work, ma'am, I call my family, ma'am.
Okay, so always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. You come to work
Yes,
abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future to your family. Nobody forced you to come and work here. You are the one who wanted to come and work here because you wanted to achieve all these things, okay? So later, don't give
yes,
us problem once you come to work here in Malaysia. Yeah?
yes, ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there, but don't bring here in Malaysia the one that you are doing in the Philippines. We need to humble ourselves at the same time, okay? We need to follow the
Yes, ma'am.
rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. If you have any problems or any concerns inside the employer's house, you inform them because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, okay?
No, ma'am, because I dedicated this job, ma'am.
Ate, no. I am telling you that any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay? Can you hear me or no?
Wait.
Okay, as I have mentioned, always inform your employer because or any concerns or problems, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Clear, we are clear. I don't want to have such a problem later once you come to work here in Malaysia because nobody forced you to come and work here. Yeah, okay?
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much and have a good day. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Thank you,
Okay, thank
ma'am.
you so much. Bye.